Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is February 3rd, 2025, coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with a 36-minute walk at about 3/4 speed. I'm in a new area, and there's, I don't want to say hills, but definitely inclines on a lot of the streets. Cardio definitely got up there. I'm sweaty a little bit. Gosh, it's like 50 degrees here. Yeah, feels good though. I'd rather walk an hour or maybe 50, 55 minutes on a flat surface at full speed than hilly for 30, 35, 40. Man. Anyhow, good news, bad news today. Good news, if you're in the crypto market, you're going to make money. Bad news, if you don't want to be in the crypto market, no one forced you to do it. And these dips, while gut-wrenching, are part of the process. I've never been the guy that said, hey, I told you so. I don't have that in my vocabulary. However, that said, maybe end of November, December, I did make a few videos going, yes, we're going up and to the right, but it will be a volatile climb to either 150, 180, 210, 210, whatever Bitcoin's going to, and you're going to see 10, 20, 30, 40 percent market pullbacks. We are in the midst of one of those. I honestly have not looked at the market since Thursday of last week. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, in 5 days. I know it's down from my Twitter feed, but I hate to say it, it is what it is. So, but that's it. Some of you are cut out to handle the drops. Some of you, I'm sorry, are not in a mental position to handle the drops. If you're not, the cryptocurrency market will definitely humble you if you need to be humbled, and it will humble you when you think you're already been humbled. So that's the video, Crypto Mentor 99. Hey, I mean this in all seriousness. Take a look at my Dabba link below. For $199, you could buy a router from Dabba and the Dabba network that they install in India. I say it almost every day. There's like 600 million, 700 million people that are willing and able to pay for internet service that don't have it. That's the spot that Dabba fills. You got supply, you got a huge demand, and that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And yeah, love y'all. Bye-bye.